What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back with yet another unboxing. I actually have several that I'm doing in separate videos. This shipped from Las Vegas, Nevada to South Bend, Indiana, where I live. I'm not going to show you my address. Sorry about that. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, go to onceuponat.net or riptapparel.com. Find your shirt of choice and save a couple bucks off your shirt order if you use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. I want to go to Vegas so bad. I've never been. So, I haven't done it in a long time, but I used to do it all the time. I would go on eBay or card selling websites and buy, gift cards from people that apparently don't like going to places, and I would get them at a reduced rate. So I bought, I don't know exactly how much I spent, but I have, I'm not going to show this person's name, but this is 4 $25 Arby's gift cards. They're obviously pieces of paper. But these are 4 Arby's gift cards worth $100 total. I don't eat fast food anymore, but I'm tempted to just get some roast beef sandwiches here and there. But I do eat the ice cream. I have family that does go to Arby's, and this might serve them well. But I think I spent like 70 bucks or whatever I got. So saved 30 bucks off of this, and it's a pretty good deal, I'm not complaining. I'm pretty excited. You save money when you can. I definitely like their ice cream. I miss their roast beef sandwiches. Are you a fan? What do you guys get at Arby's? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching my video. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, check out some of my other thousands of unboxings. Some are a little bit more thorough than this, but this is just a gift card. So let me know what you guys think, and what's your favorite fast food restaurant. Have a great day.